Tonight, Charlotte's new police chief says he is ready for the challenges he faces.
23-year CMPD veteran Kerr Putney took the oath of office today. WCCB Charlotte's Marvin Beach talked to him after.
You are the chief.
Smiles and applause all around as Charlotte's new police chief took the oath of office Monday. Kerr Putney admits there are long days ahead, but he says he's up for the challenge.
It's a huge responsibility. I don't make light of it, but I'm the kind of person who's going to enjoy the journey.
The transition from retiring Chief Rodney Monroe comes just 3 weeks before Wes Kerrick's voluntary manslaughter trial. The CMPD officer is charged in the 2013 death of Jonathan Farrell. Putney says the department is ready.
We're going to facilitate people's right to be heard, get their voices out there, to demonstrate and to protest. We're not going to allow criminal behavior.
The most important thing is that Kerr has the ability to reach out to the entire community. He's well respected.
Thank you to the city manager for making a splendid decision in that selection.
The new chief showing off a more light-hearted side at times. He's known for being very serious, even admitting his mother told him he needs to smile more.
She's hanging in there right now, but I'm going to make her cry before we're done.
Everything don't be for work. You have to smile too and enjoy yourself.
City leaders say they're confident they made the right decision.
I'm very happy. I think he's going to continue Chief Monroe's strong commitment to working actively out in the community.
Marvin Beach, WCCB News.
Kerr Putney is the first ever chief to be promoted from within the department. Former Chief Rodney Monroe officially retires July 1st.